Right guys, we have just had the sketchiest climb in this place, but we've made it into an abandoned courthouse. Now this place looks amazing. We had to climb through this little tiny window, and I tell you what, I think I pulled every muscle in my back. I can't bend it, it kills. But anyway guys, we're in, let's go. Why do we always find trees in places? There's always a tree, man. And loads of rubbish bags. It's like they have started working here, but I don't know what this room was. I'll tell you what, that doorway is cool. Right, okay, so these, oh, I wonder if they're the cells down in the bottom.
I'm looking at it.
I think they are. Mate, this is cool. Yeah, no messing boys, let's get in court number 1. So yeah, we haven't done any research on this place guys, so we don't know when it closed or out, but I think this is the, whoa. This is the courtroom. Wow. Shit. Wow. This is cool. Oh man. This is epic. Oh, man. There's a deck upstairs as well where you can actually get up. That's cool. There's entrances and doorways here, there and everywhere in this place, honestly. This is hanging out of its ass, but this main bit, this is alright. But yeah, it's cool though. Bits like that, look, where there's just holes in the floor. This is cool. I think these are like seating up here as well, look. So you could have took a seat right at the back and just watched Dean get sentenced to life.
Wait, get sentenced to life for
fingering bums. That's a creepy ass hallway. Yeah, we'll go up. We'll just go with the floor, lads, can't we? There's no in particular way.
At least the stairs are concrete.
Yeah, there is that, mate. We don't have to fall 50 foot.
Well, the floors are looking.
Floors don't look great, do they?
That's fresh.
Whoa. Yeah, the floors aren't great, mate. Look at the state of that one.
Oh.
That is just, that's lethal, isn't it? The old school fire. Holy shit. Is that me or does that look a bit like a... I think it is another court, this.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Whoa, this is a bigger one, man. This is a bigger court. That's got a balcony up there. This is cool. The floors feel soft, don't they? I'm not gonna lie, it does feel sketch, but this is cool. It's worth the sketchiness. Mate, look at the glass.
Yeah, that's got
Glass roof, that's awesome. Right guys, so we are pretty shit when it comes to information about places. We don't know when it's closed, but I'm assuming it's a long time because the state of this place, it is literally falling to bits, but what is left of it is pretty cool. I don't even know if this is court 2 or court 3 or what. I don't even know how many courts are in here, but this is awesome. I keep saying awesome a lot, don't I? Don't know where the boys are gone. Leaving me behind. Right, so I've left the boys and I've come on a little wander just to check this place out alone because the vibes in this place are eerie as out. And when you hear noises now, I don't know if it's them or not. So just gotta listen out for the noises. Where am I now? I'm back to the car. Oh, they're over there, look. over there. I want to sneak up on them. I can just see the light. The fuck? I don't know what they're doing. I was like, I wonder if you see me, you know. Is he another one? Is it like a maze, is it, lads? What do you do? Go up? Let's have a look. Right, I'm gonna see where they are. I'm guessing they come through here. Oh, so, right, okay. I'm on. Oh, what the f was that, lads? I'm on the wrong f***ing level, aren't I? Is it this room? Yeah, let's check this room out. Oh yeah, this is like a bit more of a modern courtroom. This is cool. Right boys, where are you? I'm gonna go up here, I think. Meet up with them. Alright, okay, I'm sure I've come this way before. Right guys, I don't know where I'm going here. I'm literally walking in circles. Oh you bastards. I want to play up there. I'm down at the bottom again. I knows how you get up there. I can see some stairs here. I'll go to the stairs. It's like a big playground, guys. Right. Have I been this way? Sure I've been this way. Yeah, I've been this way. Bloody bed. I've literally lost where I'm going. I've lost all sense in direction. Right, I'm crawling through this bloody hole. Oh, there you are. I can see a light. I'm up the top. Ah, right. Oh, cool. I'll have a quick look while I'm here. I was looking everywhere. I was going up the wrong stairs. Ah, there we go. Look. Wow. Right, this is a cool building. Right, so after finally finding them, I've lost them again. They've cleared off somewhere, I don't know. We'll go and find them. But this is absolutely awesome. Where is he? Mate, this is cool.
Rich!
Yo?
Found the holding cell for you there.
Have you really? Oh, cool.
There's another cot at the front, it's a bigger and smaller. This is quite small.
Is he?
There's lots of glass now on the floor.
This place is huge.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the ground floor. I remember looking through here.
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay, I'm with you. I'm with you. So now,
So I'm assuming this is the holding cells.
yeah, I think you might be correct.
Wow, man.
No way.
This is
Yeah, this is
Mate.
That's right.
What?
Basic.
What? This is crazy. It goes every way.
No, it goes on.
Nah, this is crazy, this, lads. It goes down again. This is crazy. Boys, it goes down again. Yeah.
We've done this level
This is how crazy it is. This is mental. Right, okay, so this is like the holding cell area. But I don't know what that is. Avoid these stairs. Okay. Down here, look at the size of this gate. And look at the size of that, man. That's just solid, isn't it?
You're going to go out with it.
No.
What's that?
I don't know.
Give me a check.
Hang on, it's been blocked off. Well, that's interesting.
This should be where they brought it, maybe.
Maybe so. Goes down again. Nah, man. What's going on? Tunnels all over. Whoa, this is an old school. Whoa, there's more tents. What's going on with the tents, man? I don't know, it's weird this. What are these? Are these the old cells? The old cells? I think these are old cells, mate.
So look, these ones.
Yeah, you look at this, look. It's got big ass doors on. Look.
Yeah.
They look like...
Yeah.
I bet this is the old part.
Yeah.
It is.
You will.
I think this is. Yeah. Yeah, because that'd probably be a cell size, wouldn't it? For
That's all that done.
yeah, I'd go with that.
Cells on it.
Yeah. There's one at the end, and that's it. But what's going on there? Look, it's just being filled with shit.
Yeah.
You have? Is that Ian? Why is your phone ringing? That sounded like it was in here, didn't it? Unless we're next to a building. Right, okay. Where's this go then? Jesus Christ. This is like... I don't know if it goes underwater here though. Oh, it's a dead end, I think. What's with the tunnels? That's cool. That is cool. I wonder how long they've been sat there for. Look at that. The ascender's fallen out of that one. Oh, I like these stairs. Jesus Christ, they're narrow, aren't they?
This is a weird place.
Yeah, they're good, Ian. They're good. This is weird. What's all that about then?
Some stairs for what?
Yeah, what is
What the
this?
hell is this? Oh, click off, just kind of thing. Come on,
Is it?
Quick look. What is it?
I don't know, mate.
Oh, what a mess.
That's glass by the looks of it.
That's like the kind of the door frame, it downstairs. Ah, top of the car.
Yeah, it'll be the top of the courtroom, I think.
Yeah. What the hell is that? Well, that's a little kelp in it.
That's a fucking drop.
Oh, what is it?
Right, we're going. We don't exactly know what's going on here, do we, lads? But we're. I don't even understand what this is all about. Guys, this place is absolutely crazy. I'm gonna have to chop this video so much. because it's going to be so long, but I'll pick the best bits out of it and you should enjoy this one, guys. Right, these are the little steps. What's that then? Don't even know where we're, oh god, don't even know where we're going. Oh god, this is a bit dodgy. You can see a bit better on the way down how tight it is. 'em. Oh look, a penis. Determined to find a way onto the roof. So tiring this. What time is it? 7 minutes past 11. We've been in here for literally about 2 hours. Oh, you beauty. That, there's got to be roof access right there. Let's have a look. Bloody centipedes. Check that out, guys. Absolutely awesome view. I wish it was daytime so I could see a bit more, but this is so cool. I don't know where the boys are right now, but I'm loving this. Yeah, it's real weird. Whoa, could you have turned the light on right there? Look. Oof. That could have been.
That would have been nasty.
Oh. Yeah, I just turned the light on at the right part because there's a full-on step missing, and I was like, damn. That's cool. Time's wrong. Yeah, we're in the bell of all towers right now. Don't know. Oh yeah, okay. I'll go with that. Yes. Let's have a look. If we can get in the bell tower, I'll be. I don't know if it's a bell. Must be a bell end tower. Mate, yeah, this is cool. You can see where the old bells used to be on, I think. It goes even higher. Man. This is crazy. This is absolutely... That pigeon best not shit on me. If you shit on me, pidge, that's me and you over with. Watch out then. Watch out. He's not bothered. The pigeon. I just want to stick my head up here and have a look because it looks like all... Hey dude. Oh wow, you can see all the workings and stuff. Yeah, and you know, like, because I think the bells used to be in this part, but the... Oh, there's another pigeon. Hello. They're just chilling, they're not bothered. But yeah, I think that's all the mechanics for the clocks.
Oh, of course, he's doing that.
Oh mate, about a foot away. He's just chilling, he's like, damn. I was like, don't shit on me, for God's sakes. He was just chilling. Pigeon was just chilling, wasn't bothered. I was about... Literally, I was about this close. It was there. And I was like, now then. Crazy. Right guys, it's getting late. We've covered pretty much, probably 60% or something. We've got work in the morning, so we've got to pack up now, we've got to get home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Exploring with Ian, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.